Hello, welcome back to this video. So I bring you good news from BLUM. All right. I believe many of you might have forgotten about BLUM, and that is why a lot of persons, actually including me, failed to get the Pulse airdrop because we forgot about it and eventually the stuff later played out. All right. I hope the same thing will not happen to you with BLUM. So BLUM yesterday actually announced that their TGE is coming up this spring, and we're going to be getting more news about this event. Okay, about the token generation event and maybe the listing and all of that by next week. So we'll be waiting from next week to see which day this will actually happen, all right, and how it's going to happen. And now, guys, so since the TG is close by, okay, is around the corner, what I want you to do is to get busy with this platform, right? Is to get busy with this platform. And I believe since they launched this, their main part platform, which is the second phase of the airdrop, okay, which is the second phase of the platform, by testing, buying and selling some of these meme coins on through their meme part platform. None of us have tried it, or many of us haven't tried it, right? So all you just need to do is just to deposit some tone into your wallet and then try to buy this, right? You just come in here to the meme part option. I made a video previously showing you how to trade this stuff, right? You just come in here, any of this token that you want. For instance, this one now currently with a market cap of 1k, 1.7k, and all of that. I don't know if the market cap will increase more than this. So all you just need to do is to come in here and basically trade this. Okay, but if you don't have money to trade, okay, if you don't have money to buy and sell any of these meme coins on the BLUM mini app inside of Telegram, then all you just need to do is to get engaged with the platform, right? If you come to the end option, you can see that a whole lot of tasks that you need to complete right here. Okay, the whole lot of tasks you need to complete. Now for these ones, okay, for these ones that requires verification, if you click on the verify option, it will be asking you for keyword. Now if you don't know any of this, okay, if you don't know any of the keyword, all you just need to do is to join us on Telegram, because I'm going to make a list of all of these keywords, different keywords for all of these different tags, so that you will be able to complete the tags and earn some points for yourself, right? And earn some points for yourself. If you trade on using the main part option, you get more points. But if you don't have money to do to carry out some trade buying or launch your own token on the BLUM platform, all you just need to do is to make sure that you complete all the tasks here, right? That you complete all the tasks here. Hopefully by next week, we'll get a clearer picture of when the token generation event will happen and what exchanges we'll be expecting. All right, for the fact that Binance invested in this platform at the initial stage, I believe that they will get listed on Binance. Okay, and one thing I'm certain, just let me know in the comment section. One thing I'm certain, I believe BLUM would do better than every other Telegram airdrop. I just have that conviction. Okay, I'm not certain yet, but I believe BLUM would do better than a lot of other Telegram airdrop, because it is actually a platform that has launched a working a platform already before they are talking about tokens. Okay, before they are talking about tokens, I made a post about this on Telegram. So if you want to get access to all of some of these tags, okay, some of the keywords to some of these tags, then join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description or my bio. Join us and I will update you guys there, so that you'll be able to fulfill all of that and get the BLUM, get some points that will eventually, okay, result to, maybe tokens that I don't know how much the token will be sold at. Okay, we've not gotten any clearer picture of what the total supply will be, and then how much. If BLUM is generous enough to give out a lot of money, then you can expect something good to come out of this. Okay, so don't miss out. You started this journey months ago and all of that, so don't give up right now, right? So make sure that you're active right now. Be checking your BLUM once a day, and let's see what happened by next week. I'll be updating you guys, right? I'll be updating you on the progress, and on the day of the listing, we'll do a live trade here together. So all you just need to do in order not to miss out, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, so that whenever videos like this comes up, you'll be the one to be notified. And if you want to take advantage of all the free signals we share on Telegram, guys, the link to join us on Telegram will be in the video description. Right now, when this platform comes up, you need exchanges where you can trade these tokens, right? And I believe they'll be listed on all of the top exchanges. So if you need any of these exchanges, the link to sign up on Bybit, on Binance, on BitGet, on all of these popular exchanges will be in the video description. Create your account and get ready for the next step. Okay, hopefully by next week when I get new update, I will let you guys know the progress and how to claim your airdrop. All right, that is it for this video. If you have gained value from it, make sure you smash that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.